What is AI, and how does it actually work? Most people think AI is some kind of magic, but AI is really just math and patterns. Think of AI like a very smart prediction machine. First, AI learns from huge amounts of data. That data can be text, images, videos, or sounds. For example, imagine showing an AI thousands of pictures of cats. Some cats are black, some are white, some are big, some are small. After seeing enough examples, the AI starts finding patterns. It notices features that often appear together, like ears, whiskers, tails, and certain shapes. AI does not understand cats the same way humans do. Instead, it learns probabilities. When a new image appears, the AI compares it to everything it learned before. If the patterns match closely enough, it predicts, "This is probably a cat." The same idea works for language. AI reads billions of sentences and learns which words usually come next. For example, if you write, "The sky is," the AI predicts that the next word is likely blue. This prediction process happens again and again. One word leads to the next. Those words become sentences. Sentences become paragraphs. And paragraphs become entire conversations. Modern AI systems use something called neural networks. These are large networks made of many connected layers. Each layer processes information and passes it to the next layer. As data moves through the network, the AI becomes better at recognizing patterns and making predictions. That is how AI can answer questions, write stories, generate images, translate languages, and help solve problems. AI is powerful, but it is not magic. It does not think exactly like a human. It does not have feelings, beliefs, or true understanding. Instead, it is a machine trained on massive amounts of data to recognize patterns and predict what is most likely to come next. And in the simplest possible terms, that is how AI works.